Hey guys, happy Monday. Today we're going to start our new grammar lesson. We're done with writing for now. We might do one more writing assignment this year, but it won't be a full on week of writing. So, in any event, this is what we're going to be working on this week, starting out with plural possessive nouns. If you don't have your notebook out yet, pause this and go grab your notebook. And you're going to have to pause this anyway because I want you to start by copying down what I have here on the page. I'm just going to go over it and talk about it while you guys copy it down. What a plural possessive noun is, it's a word that shows that more than one person owns something. So, for example, if you had maybe like the brothers. So if there was one brother, then one brother would own something. But if there were two brothers and they both owned something together, like a dog, then you would need to make that into a plural possessive. Plural meaning more than one, possessive meaning they own something. And I'm going to show you how you do that now. To form the plural possessive of most nouns, you first have to make the singular noun plural, meaning you have to make it into more than one. So an example of this might be, let's use brother that we used before. If we have the singular noun brother and we wanted to make it plural, it would turn into brothers. Now, we do not use an apostrophe with the plural form of the noun because they don't own anything yet. If we just say, look at those brothers over there, then it would just be the plural. But if we want it to be plural possessive, meaning the brothers own something, maybe we would say the brothers' dog is brown. So what we would have to do is, after we write the word brothers, to show that they own something, we put an apostrophe on the end of the word, after the S. This shows that the plural word owns something, meaning more than one brother owns the dog. The brothers' dog is barking. So here, the word brothers with the apostrophe on the end is an example of a plural possessive noun, meaning more than one person owns something. In this case, more than one brother owned the dog. And we know that it's more than one brother because we have an apostrophe after the S. If the apostrophe were to come before the S, it would only be one brother that owns the dog. But since it's plural possessive, more than one, the apostrophe comes after the S. That being said, let's try another one. If we had, let's say the coach. So we might say the baseball coach, I don't know, is happy. But if there were more than one, then we would call them the coaches. So the plural form of coach is coaches. We might say, look at those two coaches. Now, if the coaches owned something, let's say in this case they owned whistles, we would say the coaches' whistles. The way we would form the plural possessive, again, is we would write the plural form of the word, but put an apostrophe on the end. So for example, you might say, the coaches, and then put the apostrophe. Whistles are loud. Here, coaches with the apostrophe on the end is the plural possessive. There's more than one coach, and they own the whistles. We know there's more than one coach because we have the plural form of the noun, and then we have the apostrophe that comes after the S to show the plural form. One last one. Let's say singer. So there's one singer. In order to make it plural, we would make it singers. So there's more than one singer now. That's plural. But now to make it possessive, they could own, I don't know, microphones. The singers, apostrophe, microphones are silver. So now we have the plural possessive singers. They own the microphones. We know it's more than one singer that owns it because the apostrophe comes after the S. Copy these notes.